Good morning. Today is Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, and the time now is 7:44 a.m. in the morning. My name is Honest John, or the Crooked Wyndham, or the Rugged Miller, or Egan, or Marsh, or Bellingham, and I'm a boxer, prizefighter, pugilist. I would just like to say to people, please consider not eating meat and fish. Save the lives of the chickens. Now, this video is for right-minded. When I mean right-minded, this is just my turn of phrase. Turn of phrase means the way that we're from Jamaica. Like my father's from Jamaica, so we have a way of talking English in a certain kind of way. You respect that. I know there's the King's English. I not acknowledge that, but we've taken the English and put our slight little twang or little slant on it. Do you understand? Does that make sense to you? So it's a right-minded people. So what I'm saying, this video is for right-minded people, in the sense of people that have a sense of dignity, that are solemn, that's serious. Yeah, life is for fun. Like, yeah, life's an adventure. It's fun, isn't it? You can have fun and play, and I get that. You know, I understand people. It's fun, isn't it? Because we're alive. It's life, isn't it? That's good. But this video is not about that. It's not about fun and playing adventure and fun and fun and fun. This is about animal welfare. Like the chickens want to live because it's life, isn't it? Once the life is gone, it's gone, isn't it? The life is the life. Life is important. Life is important. Only God gives a life, isn't it? Ultimately it comes from from above, doesn't it? From the Lord. So what I'm saying now, anyway, think about not eating meat and fish. Think about it, yeah, not eating for a long time. Like me, I became health conscious when I was probably like a teenager, 16, if not younger, 15. Then I went back to eating meat again. I came back to vegetarianism again. You know, but but yeah, think about vegetarianism. It's good. Because you take one supermarket, like I'm in Hounslow, like Greater London, outside London, yeah, to the west. Yeah. You think of one supermarket in the area, yeah. The amount of meat and chicken and beef and now it's got on its shelf in that department, the frozen meat department. It's a lot, isn't it? Just that one supermarket. You think of that now, you think of the whole of Hounslow supermarkets with that in there. Then you think of the whole of that borough. Then you think of the whole of that area. Then you think the whole of London. It's a lot of meat. A lot of chicken and flesh and meat and beef and lamb, and it's a lot, isn't it? You might not think so, but just think outside the box. Outside the box is this uh, 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 um, something they say to make you come out of yourself. Think of it in out of yourself. Don't think, oh, my name's Peter Douglas or Carl Rufford, Carl Mayweather. No, out of yourself. Think out of yourself. It's a lot of meat, yeah. It's a lot of flesh, chicken and lamb and beef. It's a lot. It is a lot. Right, try and come out of yourself. Think of it, it's a lot. So if we can reduce it, now if you think of like if you think of um, like I said, like London, then you think of England, then you think of Wales and Scotland, Northern Ireland, then you just think of just the United Kingdom. Then you think of Europe. Think of Europe, like and then you got France and all eating meat and fish and chicken. It's unquantifiable. It's staggering now. That is a drain on the earth and the world's resources, because the earth, Mother Nature, has to produce chicken in high volume that it's not used to. It can't do it. It can't do it. No, the earth can't do it. That's why there's a lot of disorder and imbalance in the world. Because Mother Nature is not a bit. Mother Nature is not a supermarket. She's not a supermarket now. Mother Nature is not a supermarket. You might disagree with that. She's not a supermarket. It's not a supermarket. You don't just walk into the park or anywhere and take things off this. It's not a supermarket. There's no tills. It's not a supermarket. So you're putting pressure on the ecosystem. You're putting pressure on the ecosystem. Yeah. You're putting pressure on the ecosystem that it hasn't been designed for. That's what I mean. It hasn't been designed for that now. So that's why there's a lot of stress in society. Not in just no, not a lot, that's not why there's a lot of stress in society. That's why there's a lot of pressure in the world. That's what I was saying. But the mother nature is not. She wasn't designed for that. Not to be producing. She can produce chickens. I'll give you an analogy. Analogy. Now I'm not a scientist. I'm just an average Joe Blogs like you. Let's say Mother Nature. This is an analogy. Can produce 5 chickens a day. 5 chickens a day. Can produce 5 chickens a day. The world consumption around the world. You think of China. I'm reading about China now. You think of China. How many? China's got a billion people. They're a billion. So if the world can produce 5 chickens a day to feed the whole world, you know how much it has, the pressure, the amount of demand on the world's resources. They're asking the world to produce. If suppose that 5 chickens a day is 5 million chickens, 5 million chickens a day. You're saying around the world, like China alone has got a billion people, so that's more than 5 million, isn't it? So that the Earth has to then bump up its production. It's staggering. So you're just saying that's just China, because China's. I read it yesterday evening. It's got over 1 billion people, 1,470,044 million. So from 5 million chickens to feed China alone, if they all eat chicken, which they probably do and they probably don't, because I haven't done a survey of what they eat, but let's say that they probably do, to be on the safe side, that they if they don't, they would contemplate it. They would contemplate, okay, if I was hungry, starving, if I'd eat chicken, that thing. So anyway, from 5 million, they have to produce a lot to feed the people in China. Then you think of the world. You've got Australia and the United States of America. You've got Jamaica, France, and Germany and the United Kingdom and Russia. Look at Russia. People don't talk about Russia. Russia's a big country, people, Russia. We tend to blank out Russia, It's a big demand, a big place. Moscow and Russia and all that, big fucking place. So from the 5 million, do you put us in the world to double up to a high level of production? They can't do it. Can't do it now. That's what the problem is. So that's my theory now. Yeah, I'm a reasonably intelligent person, just like you. I'm not. I'm not Charles Darwin or Einstein. I don't claim to be on that level. I worship those people. So anyway, yeah. So the Earth can't keep up on that high demand. So contemplate either severely reducing your consumption of meat and fish or becoming a vegetarian permanently. Thank you.